Why everyone is switching to lace closure in 2025. 2025 is the year of lace closures. And it's easy to see why. They deliver that flawless, natural look without the high-maintenance routine of lace frontals. Imagine effortless middle parts, side parts, or even free parts that blend so seamlessly it looks like your own scalp. Add in HD and transparent lace options, and you've got an undetectable finish that works for every skin tone. Affordable, protective, and endlessly stylish, lace closures are the beauty upgrade everyone is rushing to in 2025. Don't get left behind in last year's trends. https://y-everyone-is-switching-to-lace-closure-in-2025/ Hashtag lace closure number 4x4 lace closure number 5x5 lace closure hashtag HD lace closure hashtag Tanonhair